In this section, we're going to be looking at blusher, how you can add colour to your cheeks and introducing the highlighting and shading technique which helps achieve your perfect cheekbones. Your blusher brush and your blusher. There's different types of forms of blusher you can get. You can get your powder or your cream. So first step, I'm going to show you how to use the powder and then I'll show you how to apply the cream. Again, tap off the excess and really blend that in up and down motion, up and down strokes across the cheekbone. And your cheek's got a slight curve to it, so make sure you really work it into the curve and round. To find exactly where your cheekbone is, you could smile as you're applying your blusher, and that gives a nice pop of colour right on the apples of your cheeks. Second blusher we're going to be using is your cream blusher. And the best way to apply this is get a little bit of product on your fingertips. And again, on the apples of your cheeks, just dot a few bits of colour. And then again, blend upwards, making sure all the colour is well blended so you don't get any sharp lines or edges, making the colour look false. The next section we're going to focus on is blusher. There are two key words here, highlighting and shading. The main thing that you need to remember is that light colours bring the area forward, making it look bigger, and dark colours recede the area, making it appear smaller. So when you're thinking about highlighting and shading, highlighting is going to bring the area forward, making it more prominent, and shading is going to darken the area and make it smaller. Blusher is used for three purposes. 1, to add colour to the cheeks. 2, to make a prominent cheekbone appear smaller. Or 3, to make a cheekbone appear more prominent. I'm going to show you these three examples now. To add colour to the cheeks, smile in the mirror. And where the fattest point of the cheek is, just in gentle feathery strokes, add a hint of colour. To tone down a prominent cheekbone, the blusher needs to be applied just on top of the cheekbone itself. Again, feathery little strokes, just to emphasise. The main thing when applying any makeup, especially blusher, is to blend the product in really well. So once you've applied it to the correct area, what you need to then do is blend in any sharp edges, and you can do that with a large brush or with your fingertips, just to get a really, really natural look. Now we're going to make the cheekbone more prominent. So first thing you need to do is you get your highlighter, maybe a lighter shade of blusher that you're going to use, and just apply the highlighter on the cheekbone itself, working upwards. And again, blending in any sharp edges. Then with your blusher, apply the blusher right underneath in a curved shape along the line of your cheekbone. And if you smile, you'll see that the cheekbone has been emphasised. Again, make sure that you blend in any sharp edges to give a really natural look.